Catherine Bernardo update. Ito yung pa-block screening ng IV Clinic para kay Catherine. At message ni Dominic para kay Catherine. Ayun, nasa screen. Ayun. Nagya ka pa ng mag-bro.
So happy because I gave a day to the block training. And you're here. And congratulations!
I just want to say thank you to my ID Clinic. This movie is very, very, very special sa akin. Going through the Canada with this, and then the experience of what we were doing it. I just really, really love the story of Joy and Ethan. And hopefully, yung mag-feel nyo, pagkatapos nyo panoorin yung movie, it's about life, it's about you, and it's about home. Hindi na talaga yung talk about, I hope we make you proud and thank you dahil for kayo ng lahat ng pagdalo na nare-receive na to. I feel so loved and ang laking bagay na lang ay Clinic family. Thank you.
Any time ka pa for IV? I'll make time. I'll try tomorrow or before my flight. And then we can have a Christmas party. Yeah, just love. After
I like that.
Thank Tasha.
Thank you, Catherine. Ang IV Clinic. Ito pa yung
Before I flew to Canada, I did a vampire facial
lumbar facial.
to TJ for the cheeks and also Shining Bright and Hydrating.
Kaya yung mga session ni Catherine. Yung vampire facial sa kayong Shining Bright IV Renewal Razor. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang short reaction vlog. Bye guys, team for what?